Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the live-action plate and setting frame rate and resolution to match the footage. Track the shot immediately with Blender's Movie Clip Editor. Solve camera motion and clean keyframes until reprojection error is low. Once tracking is stable, create a camera from the tracking data and set units and scale so CG elements match the world size. Make sure render engine and color management are chosen now so look dev and lighting decisions stay consistent. Next, import or model the CG elements and align them using the solved camera transforms so motion matches the plate. You should light with an H-dry for ambient realism, then add keyed area lights to recreate plate highlights and shadows. Cast accurate contact shadows using shadow catcher planes. Once done, assign PBR materials, connect roughness and normal maps, and bake where needed to optimize. Also render AOVs, diffuse, specular, depth, and emission for compositing flexibility. Finally, composite CG over the plate in Blender's Compositor. Use your AOVs to color correct each layer, match exposure, white balance, and add film grain to unify texture. Apply lens effects, distortion, vignetting, and chromatic aberration, and motion blur if the plate has it, making sure to use the depth pass for accurate blur. Render as EXR multilayer for future tweaks, export final codecs for delivery, and save incremented files. If edges look off, check alpha premultiplication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.